This problem is number 6 from the 1999 State Math Counts Target Round. And it's a very good problem that can be very difficult to get your mind on. But Math Counts was nice to you that year by giving you this single block. And what ends up happening is the surface area that's in the inside of the block is going to be the same for all of the blocks in this picture. And if you notice, the number of blocks is just going to be 3 by 3 by 3, so there's 27 blocks. And so when we start talking about surface area, we can break it into two parts. The part that's on the inside and then the part that's on the outside. And so the inside, well, because you have a drill hole going that direction, this direction, and this direction, you end up drilling all the way through, and so there's this middle block in the middle that's just completely empty, and it has no surface area. So the only surface area are the parts that are just right here on the inside, and that turns out to be 4 walls from the borehole, and all of those walls are 1 by 1. So in a cube, there are 6 faces, and if on each face there's a 1 by 1 by cube taken out of it, that gives you a surface area of 6 times 4, which is 24. So the inside of each of the 27 blocks is just going to be 27 times 24, which gets you 648. And so that's the surface area of the inside. The outside then is just going to be each of these faces minus 9. And then you multiply that times 6. Well, the faces, since it says each of the small are 3 by 3 by 3, 3 by 3 by 3 is going to give you 9. And so each face is going to be 81, but minus the 9 squares that are taken out of it. So 81 minus 9, and then you multiply that times 6, which gives you 72 times 6, which is 432. So the total surface area is just 648 plus 432, which turns out to be 1,000. So again, if you think about the outside, which was easy to do because you can think about each of the 6 faces. The inside was harder, but if you realize that all of the cubes, the 27 cubes are the same, calculating one of them wasn't quite as difficult, and so you do 27 times 24 to get 648. So 1080 is the correct answer.